Hi guys, welcome to this session. So in this session, we'll see how we can make use of the LinkedIn ads reports. So reports is a feature which really helps to analyze the data of the campaigns which we're running. As we start running campaigns on LinkedIn ads, there will be a lot of data which we will get to see in terms of metrics like clicks, impressions, conversion data, conversion rate data, and becomes really important for us to analyze this kind of data. And then we get to understand what's working in the campaign, what's not working, what needs to be changed. So for which data analysis becomes super crucial. And that is where reports really helps. With the help of these reports, you can download data in different formats and then you can analyze them. So let's have a look at this, how you can use the LinkedIn ads reports. So once you're inside the platform, you will get certain reports data in form of performance chart. So if you come to performance chart, this is where you will get to see data of the campaign's performance. You can see by certain metrics as well. All these metrics are available. So let's say you want to see the data by spent, data will be shown in that particular manner. Plus, you can change the time period as well, and you can customize it as well and see data as per your time period selection. Also, you have professional demographics data being shown up over here, which you can also see by different options. So let's say job seniority, you want to see by that. Then you get to see data over here. So these two are available right here. Apart from this, LinkedIn also gives you an export option where you can export certain performance reports. So for example, there is campaign performance report, ad performance, audience network performance, network ad performance, and so on and so forth. So what you can do is you can select the type of report which you require, let's say campaign performance, and then you can customize it a little bit. Like you want to see all the columns, or if you want to see certain columns, you can select that as well. And then you can also get the time breakdown given by day, by month, or by all time. If you want a month-wise report, you can select this. If you want a day-wise report, you can select this. So like this, you can select that. Plus, you have an option to go ahead and compare versus selected previous one. So this is also available out here, which you can choose from. So these are all the customization which you can do in the report, and then you can export the data. So this will get downloaded as a CSV file, and then you can access it and you can analyze the data as per your business requirement. So this is how reports can be used on the LinkedIn Ads platform. I hope this makes sense. This is going to be a really useful feature while you're managing LinkedIn Ads accounts, because it becomes super crucial for us to analyze this data of the campaigns which we are managing, because only then we can take those necessary decisions going forward. I hope this makes sense. Thank you so much, guys, for listening to this, and I will see you in the next video.